I have some ways for you today, guys, which you haven't seen so far. A lot of money can be made by these, and some are really unique and interesting. Take your pick and enjoy your money, guys, because everything is free and easy to acquire. Stick with me now because all of these are simple, they are easy, and they work. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So we're gonna make some PayPal money today, guys. So you're gonna need a PayPal account, but if you don't have one, you can make one easily here. But also, if you don't want a PayPal account, you can get your earnings sent directly to your bank account, so you don't have to worry about anything. I got you covered, guys. So first website here is called Picoworkers, guys, and this is the website where you can do simple surveys, simple tasks, and you will get a lot of money, guys. You will get a lot of money because these guys are in the game for a long time and they search people like you so they can give you money, guys. As you can see, this guy here earned $31 for himself, and he did small work, he did a little amount of that work, guys, and this website allows you to get a lot of money by doing little work, guys. As you can see, you can take a survey, you can write an honest review, you can test an app, or you can write an article. So whatever you want, guys, just come here and take opportunity, guys. If you click here on freelance and earn, you will see here that a lot of people are withdrawing money, guys. As you can see, this guy earned $17, this guy earned $24, and just look at this guy, $1.4 thousand. Now he has been very hardworking, and guys, you can do the same thing. As you can see, it is constantly refreshing, so there are a lot of these offers, a lot of money is to be made on this website, and guys, you can do it. As you can see, almost $1,000, $700, $12, so it goes in a way. The more time you invest in this, the more money you're gonna get, and that's all you have to do, guys. Invest your time because nothing else is needed from you, nothing. So your first step, as you can see, is to sign up. Click on sign up and then just complete this simple information about yourself. But what is important here is that you click here on I'm a worker and click on sign up, guys. And that's only one way of doing it. Now, there's a second way, and this is affiliate program. So if you have some friends or family who are interested to work on Picoworkers as well, guys, you can just come here and make a referral out of them, and they will work, and you will get some commission out of them, guys, and that's great. That's some passive income. While you get this active income, you will also have some passive income for yourself, and that's the best one there is. And of course, I highly suggest that you take a lot of your time and invest in this because as you can see, it is highly profitable, guys. It is crazy, incredible how profitable this is. A lot of money is to be made and you can't miss out on this opportunity. It is golden opportunity, really. Just look at the amounts of these people and they are coming from everywhere. As you can see, there are some from Senegal, some from Saudi Arabia. There are a lot of people here from Bangladesh. So it doesn't matter where you come from, you are able to get yourself money using these websites. Now, next one on the list is Earnably.com. And I made a lot of money on Earnably. As you can see, you have these offer walls and you can do each one of these and earn money in the process. It is very simple. You will just complete offers and you will get rewards, guys. And there are very simple tasks on this website. As you can see, they reward their members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos, and answering surveys. So guys, I like watching videos on the websites like these, and as you can see, you can get paid in all of these. You can get some coffee as well. So there are a lot of payment options, so you can choose whatever you want, guys. On Trustpilot, these guys are very highly rated. As you can see, almost 1,000 reviews and they've got 4.8 out of 5. Now, that's incredible, guys. 83% of the people said it was an excellent experience for them, and I think that speaks for itself, guys. A lot of 5 stars. A lot of people are satisfied and they make a lot of money on this website. That's nice to know, guys, because these are very simple offers. These are very simple jobs and you can get a lot of money, guys. You can just watch video and get paid. Now, how cool is that? And if all of these people are earning money and if they are satisfied with it, now why shouldn't you do it as well? Why shouldn't we get some money as well if all of these people can do it? You can do it as well. And now for the last one, this is the most interesting one, guys. This is Streetbees.com, and these people are capturing real-life moments so they can make AI technology which is gonna be good for business owners. As you can see, they will get this AI-driven growth, so they will capture real-life behavior at the moment the consumer makes a decision, and they're gonna pay for it, and you're gonna pay for it as well, because you're gonna be one of these bees, and you'll just have to take a picture or answer some question about yourself on a daily basis, and you will get paid through PayPal, guys. As you can see, you can become a bee. You can just earn cash by answering simple questions about what you're up to. So for example, if you're gonna go and eat something, you will just take a picture of it, and that's it. As you can see, you can just download this app onto your device. You will just create an account. Also, don't forget to add your PayPal details, and you will get paid, guys. That's it, guys. That's how easy this is. And you will see that these stories are very easy. You can just answer it in a chat-like system. And for example, as you can see here, you can just take a photo of your ice cream that you're eating, and that's it. You will get paid for that, guys. This is good. This is really good, guys. A lot of money is to be made by simply sharing what you do on every day, and that's what you actually do every day on Instagram, and you don't get paid, right? You share what you eat, you share what you do, but no one's gonna pay you. Well, that's changed now because Streetbees are gonna pay you for it. They have app on the App Store. As you can see, it is 4.4 out of 5, so that's pretty cool, pretty nicely rated. On Google Play, it is 86,000 reviews, and as you can see, 4.4 as well, and that's pretty nice rating, guys. You can get paid to chat, and that's pretty cool, guys. You can do whatever you want with this. You will just take a picture like normally you do, and as you can see, you can get $2.5 for just taking a picture of what you drink or what you eat. On Instagram, as we all know, no one's gonna pay you for that, and you do it nonetheless. You don't care about that, but here, these guys offer you the opportunity to get yourself some money while doing that senseless and meaningless stuff. And the money is very good, guys. Huge amounts can be made on Streetbee, so I suggest that you go and pay these guys a visit, because there is some money to be made. And they have money to pay you because, as you can see, they are very, very popular. They have these businesses which are paying them money, so they know people's opinions, so they know people's habits, and all you have to do is be honest with these guys and you will get paid. And trust me, guys, there is no simpler way to get paid. You can just take photos, share opinions, and that's it. That's it. And if all these people are satisfied, guys, I don't see why wouldn't you be, because there are a lot of people which are doing this and they earn nice sums, so we can do that as well, guys. Nothing is stopping us. This is first of a kind, guys, so I suggest that you go pay these guys a visit, try it out, and get yourself some money by using it. It's very simple. You can even help them to expand in your country, so you can apply to be an ambassador. So there are a lot of opportunities. Go out there, check them out, and I'll catch you guys later.